Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to solve the problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. Problem name is insert a node in a BST. And here is the problem statement. Given a BST and a key value k, if k is not present in the BST, insert a new node with a value equal to k into BST. And if k is already present in the BST, then don't modify the BST. So this is our simple problem statement. Now we understand this question using this given examples. So in this given example, there are three nodes in the given BST, that is 2, 1 and 3. And this is a BST, and every BST follows this main property. And what is this property? Where every left element is should be less than to its root value and every right element should be greater than to its root value. And this is the main property that every BST follows. Now our task is to insert this key value in the given BST, and if this value is already present in the BST, then our task is to don't modify the BST. So this is our initially BST. Now our task is to add this 4 in the BST. Okay, now we compare this 4 into the root value. So 4 is greater than to its root value. So what we do, we iterate over the right separately. Now we check compare this 4 to this 3. Now 4 is greater than 2, it's 3. So we iterate over the right subtree and add this 4 here. So this is our final BST after adding this key value in the given tree, and at the last we return the root of this BST at the last of the question. So this is our simple approach to solving this problem. Now try to code this problem. So what we do, if our root value is null, so what we do, we make a new node name n key and return n. And what we do, if root dot data is greater than to key value, and here is another condition, if root dot data is less than to key. So what we do, in this root dot data, we call our main function name is insert for what, root dot left and given key, and here root dot right insert root dot right and key, and at the last we return root. Now try to compile this code. Here semicolon is missing. So guys, code is compiled successfully. Now we try to submit this code. So guys, code is compiled and submitted successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Follow for the next video for the upcoming question in Geeks for Geeks platform. Thank you so much.